Hi everybody, this is Mubashir Mughal, inspirational speaker, and I'm here to talk about the topic life is hard, life is difficult, but we can make it better. Everybody wants to be happy in life. Everybody wants to be happy in life. We all want to like a perfect life. We want that great job or a successful business. Everybody wishes for good life. It may be at different levels. One person may define a good life one way and another may describe it another way. For one person, a good life may be just having 3 meals a day and a roof over their head. For another, it may be having a huge mansion and a couple of millions dollars in the bank. Whatever your definition of it, there is perhaps one thing that you may have common with many other people. You might want good life, stress free. Nobody likes to struggle through life. Unfortunately, that is also what may be stopping you from having that great life. Before you are even at the starting line, the thought of all that running just scares you and tires you so much mentally, you just decide not to go for it. It is just too hard. It is just too hard. An English writer says, once we know that life is difficult, once we truly understand and accept it, then life is no longer difficult. What does it mean? It means that once you accept that life is hard, it no longer becomes an issue that it is difficult. In life, you will have difficulties. You will have difficulties getting anything you want. It is very rare. It is very rare to get anything in life without some degree of effort. But don't stop. Don't stop there. Accepting that life is hard does not mean that you accept every circumstance and simply go with the flow. Accepting that life is hard comes with accepting that you have the responsibility to make it better. Not only do you have the responsibility to make it better, you have the ability and the power to make it better. Remember one thing, you can change only yourself. You can't change other people like you. No matter what situation you are in, you have a choice. You have a choice. No matter how bad things are, you have a choice. You have a choice. Now, it may not be an easy choice. Yeah, it may not be an easy choice by any means. And the road you decide to take may be a tough one. It may push you way out of your comfort zone. A lot of time you will actually find that the choices are not as hard as you thought they were. Once you have choices, you will find that you are no longer stuck just because life is hard. So what we learned from this session is, yes, we have to accept that life is hard, but we have to take the responsibility to make it better. And we are the only one, I am the only one who are the responsible for myself, who can change myself. Nobody other in the world can change me, and we have to take the responsibility to make it better. At that point, life is still hard. Life is still hard, but you have the final say. Your life becomes more meaningful and purposeful. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.